Boiling water and friendship. Madness of a viral trend. Video clips have spread showing groups of young people and children interlocking their hands and pouring boiling water over them to prove the strength of their friendship, a trend known as the boiling water challenge. In the videos, whoever lifts or pulls their hand away first is considered less loyal to the friendship. While the one who endures until the end without pulling their hand away is seen as valuing the friendship more. Despite its extreme danger, the boiling water trend has spread rapidly among young people. Doctors have warned about the serious risks these practices pose to the skin, stressing that such actions reflect recklessness and poor judgment. In several cases, boiling water caused severe burns that required hospital treatment. Doctors also emphasize that the influence of such trends on teenagers and children indicates a lack of awareness and cultural maturity, noting that true friendship is proven through difficult situations, not by pouring boiling water or burning hands. They advised all parents to closely monitor their children and guide them toward what benefits them, so they are not influenced by such harmful trends circulating on social media.